Teacher?
Yeah, Eldorado, he killed himself. What the hell, man?
I'm not thinking it's a girl. Was it a girl?
No, the Eldorado woman. She's a photographer.
Yeah.
Crazy,
Yo,
dude.
can someone get down here with me where, like, I'm sitting in a corner right
yeah,
now?
but
I'm
sick. Dude,
let's go, man. We're all together.
My parents,
oh my god,
let me
he's
play.
right there. You guys
My
are blind.
mom,
Nice.
actually. I asked her if I can play.
Kill one.
Why they don't let you play on weekdays?
Yeah, they don't let me play it all week.
Me neither.
I got him live.
Last.
I'm
Oh
home
my god,
alone.
you're sitting in corner, dude. I'm pretty sure.
Go!
You guys, I'm the only one in this spawn, and I'm going to die. Chill.
No, I just missed the jump.
Because you were recording. That was hilarious.
Oh my god, he's coming up.
No, I'm not recording.
Oh
I haven't
my
even
God,
turned on the Elgato software, so if I hit...
I got you.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's up
And
top.
if you can't get me out, you get me. Oh shit, I froze.
Yo, dude, I was trying to get up here and you were in the fucking way.
You were in the way of me.